Seen northwest part of the state.
Yeah.
We moved on down to Providence. Now we're going to head further south or so, depending on where you're going in the city. City of Cranston.
Yeah.
Jared Pliner has been at EMA headquarters for us this morning. And hearing any updates from state officials, Jared?
Danielle and Patrick, good morning once again. Well, about in an hour's time, Governor Gina Raimondo will be at this podium behind me. There's a backdrop set up for the first of two expected briefings today. And we were just in the Emergency Operations Center not too long ago, where they are coordinating the state storm response. EMA Director Peter Gaynor reminiscing about coming in 2 years ago as the governor was just taking office and being immediately tested.
A week or two after we both got here, we had a really great blizzard, January of 2015. I think that really let everyone understand how difficult these things can be. I was ready for spring and summer. Obviously, that did not happen. I think most of us hope that this is the last one before spring and summer. We'll see. We still have a little bit more winter to go.
And we certainly all feel that. You know, the hope is that the rain really helps us out big time, but the director said no matter, people should really not be taking risks today. We're going to get a lot of snow through the afternoon hours. By the way, also expected to be at the podium, Colonel Anna Sumbiko of the Rhode Island State Police and RIDOC Director Peter Alviti. When that takes place, we will bring it to you. For now, live at EMA in Cranston with the West Bay Mobile Newsroom, Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.